The Panasonic LUMIX G2 is the successor to the award-winning G1, the camera that proved that interchangeable lens cameras could be smaller and easier to use without any compromises. The G2 builds on the range's earlier innovations by introducing touch control and AV-CHD high-definition movies, revolutionising the way you operate your camera, making it easier for you to take fantastic photographs and movies. The touchscreen. The G2 has a free-angle 3-inch touchscreen LCD that allows you to easily operate the camera's focus and exposure functions. If you want to focus on a moving object, then simply touch it, and that object will remain in focus, no matter where it moves on the screen. You can even touch select an area of the screen using the camera's 23-area focus system to ensure a more complex scene is still perfectly sharp. If you need an accurate single point of focus, you can touch control the camera's single point focus control. The size of the focus point is also adjustable using the touchscreen feature. The touchscreen will also give you a zoomed-in image when you're using manual focus, so you can make sure it's just right before you take your shot. Quick menu. One of the other benefits of the new touchscreen is that you can quickly and simply navigate the camera's core features. Just touch the quick menu icon and all the settings displayed on screen become controllable. Touch playback. If you want to check your photos, then you can use the touchscreen to control playback. Scroll through your photos by sliding your finger across the screen, and even zoom into one by tapping it if you want to check the detail. Intelligent Auto. The G2 allows you to take full control of the camera's manual settings, including aperture, exposure and shutter speed. But sometimes you just want to get the right shot in a hurry. That's why we created Intelligent Auto, to automatically capture a great shot every time. Simply engage this function using the new illuminated IA button, and the camera will automatically set up all the camera settings to get the best shot. To make it easier, it'll even sort out any handheld camera shake and detect the subjects in the scene, all at the touch of one button. My Colour Mode. My Colour is a simple way to get really creative effects on your picture without the need of post-shot editing. If you select the My Colour mode and adjust the settings, you can scroll through 8 different image effects to get a really interesting shot. High-def movies. The G2 also allows you to record high-definition movies in its AV-CHD Lite format. With AV-CHD Lite, you can record movies with less noise, higher quality, and at half the file size of motion JPEG HD movies. You can start capturing a HD movie at any time by pressing the dedicated movie button. This mode includes a host of intelligent auto functions, including AF tracking, which when used with the new touchscreen make creating movies even easier. If you want to get more creative with your HD movies, set the dial to Motion Picture P mode. To give you real cinematic control, you can adjust the aperture through the rear dial, allowing you to defocus the background and bring the subject out of the shot. Or if you want to quickly change the point of focus, simply touch the screen at the point you want to pull focus to. Simple, but brilliant.